Hi, welcome back. In this videos we will learn new word with easy and short stories. Let's go.
Hi, welcome. This is the sixth lesson. Today I want to tell you about the village where I live. I live in Dagestan. Dagestan is located in the south of Russia. Dagestan means place of mountains. Because here there are many mountains, rivers, and lakes. It is a very nice place. I live near the capital. The capital is called Makhachkala. There are also many markets here. And many towns with very interesting cultures. Next week I am going to visit Azerbaijan.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.